welcome back to my weekend hair reset. I'm going to start off by doing a pre-poo with aloe vera today. As you see, I have a fresh aloe vera plant that I am cutting that end off of. I'm going to go ahead and cut the dead pieces off of the aloe vera that I won't be using, and I'm also going to show you how I cut those spiky edges off of the aloe vera as well. I remember I used to use aloe vera quite a lot when I was natural, and it was amazing for my hair. So I figured I need to get back on that regimen and add aloe vera back into my routine. So I'm using it today as a pre-poo. If you don't know, aloe vera contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on your scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, and reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. So you'll see me get this aloe vera together. I'll be applying it to my hair as well as my scalp. And then you'll see also towards the middle of the video where I am not going to waste any of this aloe vera. We'll be using the entire aloe vera and blending that up as well. So if you're interested to see exactly how this pre-poo and conditioning routine goes, make sure that you stay tuned. Look at all that goodness there. We're going to be applying that directly to our scalp and to our hair. You're going to see me cut this two different ways. Whatever you're most comfortable with, you go that route. But you can cut it like this. You just want to cut one end of it off, not both. For this DIY, you don't have to, but cut one end of it off and then keep that end because we're also going to use that thinner slice as well on our hair. And then if you feel more comfortable just kind of setting that aloe vera down on your cutting board and just cutting it, straight off, that's fine too. Whatever you're most comfortable with, because it all works the same. All right, so let's go ahead and just get to applying this. I'm going to start by applying this to my nape area, and I am taking it directly from the plant. So that edge that we cut off, I'm going to take that and just rub that on my scalp and on my hair, and we're going to part and go all the way up to the top until we have that aloe vera completely on our scalp area and ready for the next step. Now, with the aloe vera, as you see there, it is quite slimy, but if you do this and your aloe vera is cold, it's very soothing as well. So if you have any type of scalp issues, that's definitely going to feel good going onto your scalp. So enjoy that feeling as you're going throughout your hair. Now with the aloe vera, after the first couple of sections, you're going to notice that it gets dry. Just take your fingernail and poke some holes into the aloe vera so that the aloe can ooze back out. This piece of aloe vera is not ready to go in the trash yet. You can definitely use it for about 2 or 3 more sections just to ensure that you're getting all of it out. And even once we poke enough holes into it to where it becomes kind of, jelly, we're still going to use it. So don't throw it out. Now remember those thinner slices that we had? Take those and start rubbing them throughout the length of your hair. Get all of your hair wet with those. I normally start at the ends because those are our most damaged parts of our hair. So I definitely put that aloe at the end. And then I go through my mid strands and just get whatever is left off of that aloe before I scoop it into my blender and get that onto my hair. So do that. I am going to do this one section with you all, and then I'll do the other half of my hair off camera. And then we're going to jump into the kitchen and I'll show you what I do with the rest of the aloe vera. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna take my little mini blender. If you don't have one of these, this is what I use to make my DIY hair conditioners. I'll link it below for you if you're interested in picking it up. But I'm sorry you can't see on the camera, but I just take a spoon and I scoop whatever is left out of those bigger pieces that I used on my hair, and I scoop that into the blender. I'm going to take each piece and just scoop it out. It's super easy. And we're going to blend this together so that it becomes a very liquidy consistency and we can put it into a spray bottle. So stay tuned to see that process and how that turns out. So we have our liquid aloe vera now, and you guessed it, we're going to take down this hair and we are going to drench it in the aloe vera liquid to get all of the places that we missed with the actual aloe vera plant itself. We want to get our hair soaking wet. This is a little bit of a messy part, so unless you have on an old shirt like I do, make sure you use a towel or put on an old t-shirt so that you're not damaging your clothes. But look at this aloe vera. When you put this aloe vera on your hair, you're going to realize how easy it will make your hair detangle. It makes your hair so shiny while it's in it. So just imagine what your hair is going to feel and look like once you actually wash this out. This stuff is magical. I don't know why I didn't start using this as soon as I got my relaxer, because I was using it with my natural hair. So I'm back on my aloe vera kick, y'all. So if you want to go on this little aloe vera challenge with me, let's go ahead and do this for the next 3 months and see what type of growth our hair has, the condition our hair. If you're having any type of shedding or scalp issues, let's give this 90 days and see exactly how it works, and use this as a pre-poo before each shampoo. If you're up for it, comment below with a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and do this together. Alright, so the second half of my hair is done. I was able to finger detangle with ease. I didn't have any issues, no shedding. I'm going to go ahead and clip this up, and I'm going to let this sit in my hair for about an hour, just without being under the dryer or with anything, and that'll be it for my pre-poo, and then I'll wash my hair. If you enjoyed this content and this DIY aloe vera pre-poo treatment, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, and if you're enjoying this content and my channel, also subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.